Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to share Netflix screen on Discord. Alright, so let's begin with the video.
First of all, open Discord on your browser and make sure you are logged in. Once you're in, join a voice channel. After joining the voice channel, click on the Share Screen button at the bottom. From here, select the Netflix tab that is already open in your browser. Make sure you enable tab audio so the movie or TV show audio can be heard by others. Once that's done, click Share and your screen should start streaming. However, if you're getting a black screen issue, here's how to fix it. First, go to Discord User Settings, then click on Voice and Video. Scroll down. Here you will see Video Hardware Acceleration. If you see that option, make sure to turn it off. This option is available for some users. Next, you need to fix your browser settings. Go ahead and click on three dots at the top right, then scroll down and click on Settings. Go to your browser settings. Now, once you're in Settings, simply search for Graphic Hardware Acceleration in the settings. Look for Use Hardware Acceleration when available, and if it's enabled, turn it off. After disabling it, restart your browser. Once your browser restarts, open Netflix again and go back to Discord. Join the voice channel, click Share Screen, select the Netflix tab, and make sure Share Tab Audio is enabled. Now click Share and you should be able to watch Netflix on Discord without the black screen issue. And that's it. So that's basically how you can share screen Netflix on Discord. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.